Most people think this story is about birds. It's not. It's about a mistake millions of people make every day. And by the end of this story, you may realize you have made it too. Near the edge of a beautiful forest lived a peacock named Neo and his best friend, a small parrot named Chico. One morning, they set out for a bird festival on the other side of the forest. They were excited. Inside their small wooden cart were colorful feathers and special fruits they hoped to display at the festival. Neo pulled the cart while Chico happily walked beside him. They talked, they laughed. Everything felt perfect. Along the way, they passed a myna bird. The myna laughed and said, "Why is that tiny parrot walking? Let him ride in the cart." Neo thought for a moment. Maybe the bird was right. So Chico climbed into the cart. A little farther ahead, a pigeon saw them. It chuckled. "Look at that! The parrot rides like a king while the peacock does all the work." Now Chico felt embarrassed. He quickly climbed down and asked Neo to ride instead. Not long after, a group of crows started laughing. "Ha! A big peacock resting while a little parrot works. That doesn't seem fair." Neo immediately got down. Now both friends walked beside the cart. The cart was empty. Surely, nobody could complain now. But then a mouse shook his head. "How foolish! You have a cart, yet neither of you is using it." The two friends looked at each other, confused again. So this time, both of them sat on the cart. Soon they met a falcon. The falcon laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha! Poor cart! Both of you are sitting on it. That's far too much weight." Neo and Chico stopped once again. Every animal had a different opinion, and every opinion changed their decision. Finally, Neo sighed. "If everyone thinks we are wrong, maybe we should carry the cart ourselves." Chico agreed. So they lifted the cart onto their shoulders and continued walking. People stared. Some laughed. Others pointed. Still, they kept going. Then, while crossing a small bridge, Chico suddenly slipped. The cart fell from their hands. Plus, it crashed into the river below. Within seconds, the strong current carried it away. The feathers, the fruits, everything they had prepared for the festival was gone. For a long time, neither friend spoke. Finally, Chico asked softly, "How did everything go so wrong?" Neo looked at the river and smiled sadly. "Because we trusted every voice except our own." At that moment, Chico understood. If they had stayed with their original plan, their journey would have been easy. A boat that follows every wave never reaches its destination. Life is the same. If you try to please everyone, you may end up losing what matters most. Listen to advice, but make decisions with your own judgment. Because not every opinion deserves control over your life. If you enjoyed this story from Eliza Bethel Tales, don't forget to subscribe. And remember, you cannot make everyone happy, but you can always choose wisely.